The most important thing about an over medium egg is the pan that you use. 1 teaspoon of a high flash point oil like avocado oil and a little bit of unsalted butter, and I put it on very low. I melt that very slowly. Then I turn my stove up to medium heat, and you should hear a little bit of crackling noise to show that your egg is at the right temperature. Now what a lot of people do is they make the mistake of putting their egg in the pan and then they walk off and leave it. You can't do that. Now there are people who can flip an egg and there are people who cannot flip an egg. It's a very simple process. But this is the key, heat distribution. And for those who think they can just set it on the stove, come back and flip it, that's why you're not able to make the perfect over medium eggs, and there are 2 of them right there. And there is no runny white, as you can see.